Hey guys, how you doing? I just purchased a Senseyne tripod. Now the reason why I purchased this is I've got an existing tripod that's I've had for a long time, starting to fall apart, but also I wanted something that was a lot more sturdy. So I'm pretty excited to get the Senseyne and show you guys how it works today. Now it does for both cameras and also iPhones, which I do. Just going to take a look and have a look at it. So it comes with the stand, put your phone in. Now straight away, what I like about this is it's quite wide. So sometimes got the iPhone Pro Max, doesn't always reach. Look at that. So giving got plenty of room there, so good grip, which is good for a change. I've had other tripods, other cases that haven't held, and there's what comes out of the box. So I don't know if I'll show you guys a box, but there it is. So there we are. It's a nice carrying case too, which is nice and helpful. Now there it is there. Now straight away, look at the thickness of it. See, there's my hand. You can see how thick it is, and it feels really well built. Now there is a tripod there. Now you've got the adjustable legs. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 adjustables. So that goes right out. So I'll show you guys how tall that is in a minute on the video. And you've got the actual tripod there as well. So again, it's so you can move it all around. I'm going to take a look up there. So, I think you have to unloosen it to start with. Yeah, you loosen it there to start with. Hold it up. And then you can move it. So first time I started using it, so I got used to it myself. Got to close the tripod and then take it out. Okay, and then open it back up again. So it's multi-dimensional. So what that means is you can move it in all different directions, which is good for filming, and it feels really smooth as well. And you can tighten it up, so you can hold that there if you want, so it doesn't move. And you can tighten that up there. It doesn't move there as well. So look at that, very, very nice. What I do is, while I've got you guys just here, I want to show you guys how it works with the iPhone. So you've got two options. You can put the iPhone on like that. You go wide, or you can put it like that and you can move it. So because it's so multi-dimensional, I'll put it here to actually show you guys what I mean. So can you see it? Yeah. So, and it's also got a leveler there too, which I think is really, really good idea. I haven't seen it before. Take your iPhone, you pop it in here, put it on there like that, and then you put it there like that. Again, how simple is this to use? And again, for the price I paid, it's very, very convenient. Now I want to put my camera around so it faces you guys, and then there you go. You can start recording straight away. So that's how to do it. Now, if you want to go and turn your iPhone into 9 by 16, again, there you go, just like that. So straight away, look at how easy that is. So this is a great tripod. It's going to be my go-to. Actually, I might buy 2 of them. Because I actually film on a teleprompter here with my lights. So I'm going to go set up now and show you guys how it looks. Hey guys, now I'm on my iPhone. I want to show you exactly how we can set it up for a camera, which is very important to me. So to start with, here's a tripod and it's up to maximum height. As you can see, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 sections, which is great. Now I'm 174 centimeters tall and it's coming up to my chest. Now with the expandable part here too, you can undo this and put it up even higher. So it comes up to my eye height, which is absolutely fantastic. I'm going to drop it back down. Now you can also put your camera on here. So there's a part there that you can loosen or tighten up. The thing I like again is the quality. It feels like very, very sturdy. So you can trust it when you're using, stuff like iPads and iPhones, stuff like that. So you screw it in like that. And that's how the camera goes in there. So now you've got a completely customizable camera. You can move it to all different areas. You can turn it down. You can move this. You can change this if you want. You can actually move this to the side too. So there's all these different, how does that work? Let me show you. Like that. So you can go like that one as well. So you can do side to side filming. So you can move from 16:9 to 9 by 16 very quickly. And I like how it's got the level on there so you know exactly where it's going. But very good, sturdy tripod. As I said, I'm gonna get a couple of these just now. So yeah, hope you enjoy it and let me know what you think.